5 AI skills that can make you rich in 2026. Want to actually make money with AI in 2026? Here are 5 skills worth learning right now. Number 5, AI content creation. AI can help you crank out YouTube videos, blogs, and social posts way faster than doing it manually. Brands are constantly hunting for people who can pump out good content on a deadline. Nail this, and you can freelance, grow your own channel, or build something bigger. Number 4, AI copywriting. This is about using AI to write ads, emails, and sales pages that actually convert. Companies pay well for people who can turn a simple idea into words that make people click buy. Number 3, AI design, logos, thumbnails, posters, presentations. AI tools make this stuff faster than ever. But here's the catch. The AI does the heavy lifting, you bring the taste. That combo is what people will actually pay for. Number 2, AI automation. Every business wants to save time. If you can set up AI to handle repetitive tasks, you're basically selling productivity. And right now, that's one of the hottest skills out there. Number 1, prompt engineering. At the end of the day, everything comes down to this. How well can you talk to AI? Better prompts mean better output in writing, coding, research, whatever. As AI keeps creeping into every industry, this skill only gets more valuable. So, which one are you starting with? Drop it in the comments. And hey, if this was useful, smash that like button, subscribe, and stick around for more AI content. Thanks for watching.